What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing LED lights on the to the Fiat. We're in the Fiat. I went with this on Oxedo. It's a brand. It's Amazon, of course. Had good reviews. So it comes with your gloves, instructions, and the lights. Let's go get to it. All right, cut this light on. All right, so you want to see expose the headlight. So just want to turn this counterclockwise, pop it off. Like that. The same thing with the light. Turn. Wiggle this thing out.
2,000 years later.
Okay. All right, so now we got this. It's a clip right here. You push the clip down. Trying to do this with one hand.
Not happening.
All right, the clip right there, you're just gonna have to pull it towards like yourself, and then you release the light. So once you got that out, grab your light. Luckily, these are only it's only one way you can put them on. So see the clip, so basically put it on like where the clip at. All right, once you got it connected, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car. Make sure, I know it's only one way, but still want to make sure. And then, yeah, these things bright as shit. Now you know that work. The fans was on too, so it's pretty nice. You're just gonna put it in the same way you took it out. So now that you got your light in, go ahead and put your cover back on, and repeat the same steps to the other side. But I hope this video helps somebody out. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until next time.